We just want people to be happy and free. And so that is the essence of the app. Thich had a vision for how we could practice wherever we are. And that starts just with our mindful breathing, our mindful step. But he also felt that we could make good use of technology to be able to share the practice with people on their mobile phone or on a watch or whatever it is. And so the Plum Village app is a realization of that vision of having Plum Village wherever we go. That means we have freedom. So whenever you're feeling a bit down, or even when you're happy and joyful and you want to nourish the good conditions for your joy, for your freedom, you can stop and just take out your phone and have the Plum Village app there ready for you to enjoy a short guided meditation, or maybe eating meditation. You can listen to tangerine meditation or pebble meditation to cultivate freshness and solidity and freedom. So we know that life is very busy. There's a lot of things pulling on our attention, and this is a skillful way of using our attention for our own benefit and our own nourishment.